Hey everyone, I'm Carly and I'm from the Glow Recipe team, and today I'm going to show you how to do my Halloween look. Throughout the years I've always done something with painting my face. I just think it's the most fun, and doing a skeleton just because I think it's awesome, and I prefer to go the scarier route and the unrecognizable route for Halloween. So I'm going to kind of section my face and then I'm going to paint the details of the skeleton. Okay, I think I'm gonna go higher with this side just so it, I don't know, looks more abstract and not as even. And then I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna go in with another color, kind of, I think I'm gonna, this side will be green and then this side will be orange. And now for the bright green. You can kind of just tell right here, that's my second layer, and it is looking a lot better. And now I'm gonna blend it together. It's gonna take a little bit of working to blend them together. Okay, so now you have the base. It looks a little crazy, totally. But now we're gonna go in and lay the actual skeleton part, which I'm going to use black paint for. I'm going to be going with eyeliner just because I want to get the rims around my eyes very dark. Okay, so I think you can keep going if you want, but for now I think I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, so this is it. This is my, now that I've finished and can really see how everything turned out, I think I would dub it a tie-dye skeleton. Actually, one of the most fun things about doing your makeup like this is putting it on, but then the other thing is taking it off. At this point, your skin is like, oh, so tired, my lips are getting dry from the paint. I want to remove everything. And because I have so much on, I think the best thing is to double cleanse. So I'm gonna double cleanse with both of the Glow Recipe products, the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm and the Blueberry Balanced Gentle Cleanser. These together, perfect. I'm gonna melt my makeup off with this. It's gonna look absolutely crazy. We have so much paint and some eyeshadow on our face, but we're just gonna work it into the skin. You can see at this point, it's off my skin. I'm just like trying to get every little spot. I'm not rubbing my skin too hard. It's just coming off super easily. Go in with the top part. I mean, this is kind of scary in itself. So now everything, you can tell, like, it is off. The cleansing balm is still on me, so I'm gonna remove this with water. Okay, so since you last saw me, I mean, I literally just took everything off. I didn't even need that much. It just completely took it off. My skin isn't irritated at all. It's not even red, and I have like pretty dry, sensitive skin, and I mean, I literally just took all that face paint off and my face is looking even and dewy and happy. So next I'm going in with the second part of my double cleanse, which is Blueberry Balanced Gentle Cleanser. Truly working it into the skin, around my eyes. And now we're back to where we started. Crazy, did all of that and now fresh faced. So I'm gonna just wash this off and then I'll be back to show you the rest of my routine. So first, I'm going to tone. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. It's really hard to pick my favorite product, but I feel like this has to be one of them. So I have really dry skin, and usually toners can be pretty stripping, leave my skin dry, but this toner, it does a really good job of hydrating my skin. So I'm gonna go in and pat it. I also think after doing a full face of paint, it's good to go in with something that is going to make sure you don't break out. So this is perfect for that. Smoothing the skin, getting into the pores. Next, going in with an eye cream, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I used to use so many different eye creams and they never absorbed into my skin or truly hydrated my under eyes. They were always looking pretty dry, which was so weird because I was applying eye cream, but it just wasn't working well enough for me, and this is amazing. Just going to go in and apply. Oh my god, my skin feels so nice after double cleansing and removing all of that face paint. I think my other favorite product besides for the toner is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I love that this product has many weights of hyaluronic acid, so it's really going to hydrate multiple layers of your skin and making your skin plump layer by layer. And after face painting, I need as much hydration as I can get, especially because, as I said, I'm very dry. Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. What I love about this cream is that it really does soothe my skin, and also it's rich, but it's not heavy, which I think is really important. Like, I have really dry skin, so I could literally layer so much moisturizer if I wanted to, and my skin would drink it up, but it would be really rich and then all sit on my skin and just not pleasant. So one of the reasons I love this moisturizer is the fact that it moisturizes really effectively, especially for my dry skin, but doesn't feel heavy ever. So is my Halloween look, as well as my skincare routine right after it. I hope you learned something, whether it was about face painting or about skincare, but yeah, no matter what, I hope you had a good time watching, and stay spooky.